up, everybody? And yes, I have one eyelash on right now, and that's because I'm cooking. And yes, my fridge is out because unfortunately my fridge broke down. I need to go put on my head wrap because it's hot. When I'm cooking, it'll be so hot. So you guys, I'm all over the place. I only have one eyelash, and that's because I ripped the other one off while I'm in the kitchen because it's hot. This one is harder to rip off, so I'm gonna have to like rub some oil on it. But I am cooking, and I decided, let me pick up my camera and let me, show you guys what I'm cooking. Me looking for my camera, I went and I burnt up my plantains. Look at my plantains, so burnt. Well, I will eat those because I like mine's burnt, but my boyfriend, he doesn't like his burnt so much, so these will be for him. And I know I'm gonna cook some more. I don't know if I'm gonna cook one more or just both of them. And I'm cooking some curry. I'm cooking some curry shrimp. I have a lot of potatoes in there because I don't really eat shrimp. My boyfriend does, so most likely I'll have a few shrimp and majority potato. And then that's the rice. Yes, the cap is not the right cap for it. I couldn't find it, and I wasn't about to waste no time because I want to get this going so I can show you guys my garden. Yeah, guys, so much things has been going on. Adulting as usual. Let me try to take this off because it's really getting to me. Ouch. I listen, usually I don't take them off like that, but I had to just now because the corner of it was pricking my eyes. So you guys ain't gonna believe what happened to me, right? So where I live, we have not received, well, I haven't received my stimulus check, but when I do receive my stimulus check, it has to go into buying a new fridge. Let me tell you guys, if you are still under 18, don't have a next birthday. Like, do not have a next birthday. Having a next birthday is ratchet and is so ghetto. Don't do it. And yeah, you guys, I'm trying my best to get these dark spots off my face. I've been doing a mask. I might do a nighttime routine soon just to show you guys what I am doing. Hopefully I get some good results because I haven't gotten any results yet, but hey, it'll come. So that right there, let me hit some light. That right there is the nice color that we want. Not that one. That's burnt. So once I'm finished cooking, what I was talking about? Oh, I was talking about my fridge. For some reason, my fridge is not colding. Like, it's not. It'll get cold and it'll get hot. Hold on, you guys. Let me check on my plantain. If you guys don't know, well, it is officially summer because it is so hot. It is really hot. So yes, I didn't grow up eating my plantain like this. My boyfriend preferred the plantain like that. I like my plantain cut like this. So I usually just cut it thick. Like that. Yep. And you guys, I love plantain. Like, this will be my side. I have a little bit of rice, a little bit of curry, but majority is plantain. What do you want, little girl? What do you want? Hi, Bailey. Hi, Mama. What do you want? Link me in the comments down below and tell me if you prefer your plantains like this or like this. It's just getting more thicker, so the thicker the better. I like my curry thick. And you guys be mindful that curry to stain. It'll stain your clothes, everything. And when I tell you guys, It's hot. We don't have AC. We just strictly go off breeze and fan, and it's hot, you guys. So pray for me, pray for me, pray for me. Back to this fridge business. Gotta get a new fridge, and fridges are expensive. Oh my gosh. So, ooh, girl, do not tell me you almost wiped off your eyebrows. I'm telling you, it's hot. Like, I'm about to take all of this off. Let me not leave these plantains by themselves. Come on, go ahead. So this is the soil that I have. I'm trying not to be loud because I have neighbors. So this is the soil that I'll be using, and that is the garden bed that I have. And these are the bananas that my neighbor had gifted us. I think they're bananas. I'm not sure. I think they're fig. No, those are fig. I have lemongrass right there. I also have some starting seeds which need to be watered. They're dry. This is some lemon balm, my favorite. So those are peppers, banana peppers, habanero peppers, and these are supposed to be herbs, but they haven't sprouted yet. And you guys, I don't know what is Bailey's problem, but she has a thing where she's been eating like other dogs' poop. I don't know where she gets that from. I don't know why she does that. She never used to do that, but that's my problem with her now. She's a poop eater. In the islands, everybody's backyard has these trees. Banana trees, plantain trees, whatever you want to call them. Bailey. And it looks like the birds or the cats been digging through my thyme. Come on, man. Right now, I have my basil in here because I wanted my herbs to be not in the same bin as my vegetables and my fruits. So they're in this little bucket. I got these from Home Depot. I haven't put any soil in those, but these are my tomatoes, Brandywine tomatoes. That's my rosemary. These are my camera cut out. These are my red cherry tomatoes. Those over there are tomatoes as well. I think those are like the more sweeter, sweet 100. That is passion fruit, and that is a Julie B tomato. And right here have sweet basil. This one is cinnamon basil, which smells so good. This one is holy basil, which is one of my favorites, and this one here is just basil. Yep, sweet basil again. And that one is Bailey. Literally about to rain. So this right here is cucumbers. I'm not sure whether I want to just start fresh because these plants look like they're dying slowly. So I'm not sure. But these are a mixture of watermelon and cucumbers. Right here is my baby, which is the Cubanelle peppers. I've already harvested 4 of them, but I was having some calcium issues, so I had to throw them out, sadly. But I came back better and stronger because I bought some calcium for them, for my plants. And just yesterday I went ahead and threw like a bunch of corn, so I should have like a good amount of corn, but I guess they all haven't germinated yet. This one here is Cubanelle as well, and then I have hot chili and sweet bell. Bailey, she tripping y'all. Okay guys, so I'm finally back inside. It started to rain, and plus Bailey was having like a whole bark session with the next door neighbor's dog, so it was immediately time to go inside. So that's my garden so far. I'm learning a lot of new stuff about these plants, because this is my first real big garden on my own, like, so it's a lot to learn. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.